Hey, in this video, I'm going to discuss, can you withdraw money from Joyclip game app? Okay, actually, it's not a game app, but it's more of a drama um, where you can watch dramas. Okay, when you open the app, it has for you will be videos, movies which are customized to what they think will be appealing to you. They have a home. This is where they feature different episodes and series here. There's rewards. That's why you try to do some tasks like sign in and yeah. So different series are given different prices depending on I think how long they are. If you're wondering, like, will you be able to withdraw this money to PayPal or you to Cash App or Gcash or any of these options when you reach $10? I have a big answer for you, like no, because Joyclip is more of an app for fun. The intention is for you to enjoy the movies, okay? And you're not going to be paid $500 because you watch someone's video. The creators are the ones who are making money, not you, the person who is watching. Okay, I will repeat this, that watching movies online, watching videos online doesn't really pay that much. If I told Joyclip is to pay you, there's that $0.1 which opens up. You may have actually, if you're lucky, you can get that 0.1, but don't really think even of any $1 from Joyclip because this app is mainly for fun. It's known for making money, guys. Okay, you're going to see videos here, but you're not really going to make any reasonable money. Not even reasonable, because even $1 is not reasonable looking at the data that you're going to put in. Okay, and I want you to take this from me. Most of the apps which won't really ask you to create the account or sign in with your Gmail, because if they do that, they have to track your progress. If an app doesn't really take you through that process, just know like there's no money in this app. Okay, apps that really pay people have to track their progress. They have to capture your email, because when you maybe lose your phone or sign in again, they have to know which person has signed in. In other words, in this app, there's no way even how they track that it's you, because you don't even have to sign up. I've not signed up and I can view these videos, and you get, so there is no money here, guys. There's some lazy games here, but these are all actually just to take your time. But concerning making money, guys, Joyclip doesn't pay money. It's more for fun. If I told they pay you money, they may actually send you 0.1. But what are you going to pay with 0.1? Seriously, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos where I discuss legit paying apps, okay? See you in the next video, and bye-bye.